Hi guys, me and Moana here. We are going for the paragliding today. Let's see. Let's have fun. We are at the top of Sarangkot right now.
Okay.
Yeah. You excited, Moana?
Yeah.
Yo, Mo and B here.
नहीं चलते रहना ऊपर नहीं
Oof, oof, oof.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
Oh no! Yeah! It's okay! No problem.
But his pilot is more experienced.
Toripani takeoff, which is 1,650 meters from sea level. So we take up from here, then we fly around here, then we land down there at the flatland. That is called end of the lake. So we land there. Normally our flight and landing will be easy. We'll manage everything there, okay? But in takeoff, we need your help. This is the really serious part in paragliding. When we pull our glider, we'll tell you to run from escape running. Make sure do not sit and do not jump there. If you sit or if you jump there, we are not able to take off there. So you just see the guy, so he was almost hanging on a tree. So make sure you have to run. If something goes wrong, your pilot person will tell you to stop there, you just stop, otherwise keep running. Okay? So we'll make you more comfortable, don't worry. And about the landing, we just let you know to keep your legs straight. It means you just keep both your legs straight. And when we're really close to the landing, like 1 meter higher than the ground, then we let you know you can stand up. You stand up and try to walk. Okay? Okay, this is for you. So if you have any questions, please ask me. Then otherwise, I'm going to divide you all. Then we go on by one.
I think we could.
Okay?
You want?
So takeoff is really serious. So you have to run all the way down. That's it. Okay? La la la.
Moana? You got it?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah. Guys,
Die today.
ready in? Ready?
Yeah, for sure.
Bone ready.
Every time I'm ready.
Take just one. So it's
ओके विकास जी कस्तो लागिरहेछ
एकदम गुड सही
बस्छ नि
सही सही
ओके हेर्दै तल माथि पनि अब हेर्नुस् फेरि सबै हात चिन्डोले हुन्छ है
बेटा नि छोटो गर्नु
हल्का बढाएर खुट्टा हल्का फोल्ड गरेर बस्दा नि हुन्छ के हजुर कस्तो लागिरहेछ
सही सही
रमाइलो बस्छ नि ओके
नाइस वान ब्रदर एकदम
ओके थ्याङ्क यू
सही हुनुहुँदो रहेछ तपाईँ सही लाग्यो
ल हेर्नुहोस् त फेरि ताल्ने आउँछ क्यामेरा
ओकरा बेबे
सिटी पनि आउनु पऱ्यो माथि पनि आउनु पऱ्यो रमाइलो भइरह नि विकासजी
एकदम बबाल
हुन्छ चिल
चिल झन् तपाईँको कम्पनी एकदम सही रहेछ
ओके थ्याङ्क यू सो मच
सही सही
खेतल माथि ओके के भन्नु छ
प्याराग्लाइडिङ आउनु पर्यो हाम्रो सरको नाम नम्बरहरू म भिडियोमा पनि छोडिदिन्छु
हजुर
आउनुपर्छ सही छ मान्छे नि राम्रो रहेछ कुराहरू एकदम राम्रोसँग क्लियर भनिदिनुहुन्छ आइ एम इन्जोइङ प्याराग्लाइडिङ यु सुड कम टु
सबैजना आउनुहोस् विकासजीको साथीहरू पनि है
आउनु पर्ने हुन्छ सबैजना
ओके ल बाई बाई गरिदिनुहोस्